Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. 大家好，欢迎来到艾琳食艺。Last week I made a lot of this type of sandwich, so I have lots of breadcrumb left. So I'm thinking use breadcrumb to make two different type of dishes. One is garlic butter breadcrumb stick. The other one is French toast pudding. It will be a very good snack or breakfast for everybody. Let's get started. Let's make French toast pudding first. First step, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. And then let's prepare the ingredients. Okay, first step, let's prepare our breadcrumb. Make it like small piece like this, like 1 centimeter. Okay, and then we'll prepare the French toast batter. Okay. Use a big bowl and add 2 eggs. Mix, and then add 350 gram milk. And 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Okay, mix well. Oh, and then also the 30 grams of the white sugar. And then add 30 grams of whipping cream. Okay, mix well. Use a sieve to filter the milk mixture into toast breadcrumb. Okay. Tap. Make sure all the breadcrumb suck the milk mixture. We can put this in the oven. Okay, and put the toast and the milk mixture in the oven, and add 1 centimeter full of hot water. Ooh. Let's cook 30 minutes. While we're waiting for the French toast pudding, let's make the salty flavor. Butter, garlic, sticks. Use softened butter. Add 20 grams of crushed garlic. And 1/4 of sugar. Half teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon of garlic and onion spice blend. And half teaspoon of dry parsley. Okay, let's mix together. Make sure all the ingredients combine well. Evenly spray our garlic butter on the bread stick. Okay, after 30 minutes, our French toast pudding is ready. Okay. Wow! Ooh, very jiggly. Huh? Jiggly. Let's sprinkle some. Okay, sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. Decorate it with any fruits or mint leaf. Okay, let's bake the garlic butter stick. Okay, preheat oven to 325 Fahrenheit. Okay, put our garlic butter stick to bake 20 minutes. Alright, after 20 minutes, the garlic butter breadcrumb stick is ready. Alright, we used leftover bread crust to make 2 delicious dessert and the snack. The buttered garlic stick is very crunchy, just like a cookie. And the French toast pudding is very jiggly, just like an egg pudding. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.